Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will learn how to download and install Tumblr on Windows. For that, go to the web browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any web browser. On Google type Microsoft Apps and press enter. On pressing enter you can see the official website is visible, apps.microsoft.com. Click on it. On clicking, the official website is visible. It opened. Here in search the application you want, we want Tumblr. Just type it and press enter. When you'll press enter, always the official app will be visible on the top itself. This is what we wanted. Here it is. Click on Get in Store app. Now click on Open Microsoft Store. Minimize. Now here in Tumblr is visible and this is from the official. So I'll just click on Get. After clicking Get, it will first download, then install. Now you can see we installed it. Click open. When you'll click open, it will open in your Windows itself. Here it is. You can log in from here directly or sign up if you're not having any account. I'll close it and close it. If you want to open it again some other day, go to start, type Tumblr, that's it. Here it is. Now it will be visible. Click open and the same will be visible. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install Tumblr on Windows. Thank you for watching the video.